Hello everyone, welcome to DBSK Intermediate College YouTube channel. As you know, we are reading about the portrait of a lady. This is first chapter of your English prose for class 11. And I have told you from that when the writer went up to university and he was given a separate room with his grandmother, and his grandmother did not live in the same room in which the writer had lived. Today we will discuss the next portion of the portrait of a lady from when I decided to physical contact between us. So let's start. When I decided to go abroad for further studies, I was sure my grandmother would be upset. Here the writer Khushwant Singh says that, the portrait of a lady is a part of autobiography of Khushwant Singh. And this story gives a real pic of a grandson to his grandparents. Here Khushwant Singh says that, or we can say Khushwant Singh means to say, when I decided to go abroad for further studies. When the writer Khushwant Singh decided to go to foreign country for further education, for further studies, so what happened there with them? What happened there with him? And in India, what happened with his grandmother? When the writer Khushwant Singh decided to go to foreign country for further education, then the writer says that I was sure my grandmother would be upset. My grandmother would be upset. We can say the writer Khushwant Singh was sure enough that his grandmother would be upset, or she get angry on this decision. That is why he was going to foreign country for 5 years. So this was the reason his grandmother would be upset, and on these things Khushwant Singh was sure enough that his grandmother would be upset. I would be away from 5 years. I would be away from 5 years. Here the writer means to say, the writer was going to foreign country for 5 years for his further education, further studies. This is the main point of friendship broken, or we can say in the village where the writer and his grandmother lived in the same room. But in second step of this story, when the writer and his grandmother settled in the city house where his parents were lived, then Khushwant Singh was given a separate room, or we can say his grandmother did not live in the same room where Khushwant Singh was lived. This was the second step of his life. So we are near about the third step of life, the writer life. I would be away for 5 years, and at her age one could never tell, but my grandmother could. And at her age one could never tell. Last 20 years as the writer had lived his grandmother at the same condition. Here the writer means to say, I would away for 5 years and at her age one could never tell. We can say there is no grandparents who tell his grandson to go to foreign country for further education. That is why grandmother here, his grandmother is too old to tell him to go to foreign country, and the writer want to go to foreign country for 5 years for further studies. So no could tell age. There is no grandparents who tell their grandson to go to foreign for 5 years for further studies. But my grandmother could. But here the writer says that he got permission from his grandmother. The writer had got permission to his grandmother. She was not even sentimental. Although his grandmother was not a sentimental lady, she was not a sentimental lady. She came to leave me at the railway station but did not talk or show any emotions. His grandmother came to leave him at the railway station and she did not show any emotions like you can say love, affection, etc. Like the emotions she could not show. Although she was not a sentimental lady, she came with the writer at the railway station to leave him for foreign country. But she did not show any emotions like love, affection, etc. Her lips moved in prayer. Her mind was lost in prayer. Her lips moved in prayer. Her lips moved in prayer still at the railway station. And her mind was not lost. Or we can say her mind was lost in prayer. She was lost in prayer. She was lost in prayer. Or we can say she counting rosary still at the railway station. Or in other words, we can say his grandmother was lost in prayer. Or we can say the grandmother kept herself busy in prayers and spinning the wheels. Spinning the wheels का मतलब होता माला जपना. ठीक. His grandmother was kept busy herself in prayer and spinning wheel. Or we can say she was lost herself in prayers. Her lips moved in prayer still at the railway station. Her fingers were busy telling the beads of her rosary. Here it means that her hands, her lips, her minds was busy in prayers of God at the railway station. Here the writer means to say her fingers were busy telling the beads of her rosary. Rosary का मतलब होता है जो तस्बीह होती माला, उस माला को फेरने में उसके हाथ रेलवे स्टेशन पर भी व्यस्त थे. उनके हाथों से माला अब भी जपी जा रही थी. वो प्रार्थना में लगे हुए थे. उनका मस्तिष्क प्रार्थना में खोया हुआ था. She did not show any emotions. And यद्यपि although she came with the writer to leave him at the railway station for further study or to go to foreign country. So in this way, her fingers were busy tilling the beads of her rosary. Her fingers were busy tilling the beads of the rosary. माला गिनने में उनके फिंगर्स, अंगुलियां व्यस्त थीं, उनकी अंगुलियां भी उसी में लगी हुई थी, अपने हाथों से मालाएं वो फेर रही थी। उनका मस्तिष्क प्रार्थना में खोया हुआ था, ओठों से प्रार्थना जारी थी। उन्होंने कोई भी इमोशन जाहिर नहीं किया कि उनका पोता विदेश पढ़ने के लिए जा रहा है। दिस इज द थर्ड स्टेप ऑफ हिज लाइफ। ये लेखक के जीवन का तीसरा चरण है। I have told you in the starting point of the lesson, the portrait of lady, that how many changes were undergoes in the relationship of the writer and his grandmother. So we can say this was third step of their friendship. First, in the village, what happened there, you know, and in the university, the writer used to go to an English medium school in a motor bus. So his grandmother could not get a chance to go to school with his grandson. And here on the third step, the writer wanted to go to foreign country. So how possible is that his grandmother was also with him, कि उसके साथ उसकी दादी माँ कैसे जाएगी। Silently she kissed my forehead. In a peace manner, his grandmother kissed his forehead. And when I left, I cherished the moist imprint as perhaps the last sign of physical contact between us. This is the last line of this video. She kissed my forehead silently. His grandmother kissed the forehead of the writer. And when I left for foreign country, I cherished the moist imprint as perhaps the last sign of physical contact between us. The writer thought, or we can say it is enough. The kiss on the forehead, it is enough for the writer. That is why this was the sign of physical contact with the writer, or we can say this was the last sign of physical contact between us. The writer could not expect when he returned in India, she would be able to see his grandmother. So the writer thanked to God, it is enough, or we can say his grandmother kissed him on his forehead. So the writer think that it was enough for him. That is why this was last physical contact between them. ये उनके दरमियान शारीरिक संपर्क का एक आखिरी निशानी थी। एक दादी ने अपने पोते के माथे को चूमा तो पोते ने इसे अपनी दादी के और अपने बीच में शारीरिक संपर्क का एक अंतिम पहचान लेकर विदेश चला गया। ये लेखक के लिए पर्याप्त था। कहने का तात्पर्य यही है कि दादी ने उसके माथे को चूमा और इसी चुंबन को उसने अपनी दादी के शरीर का आखिरी पहचान समझकर अपने साथ लेकर चला गया। Here I left, I cherished. The writer became happy. The writer became happy when she kissed him on his forehead. The moist imprint, perhaps the moist imprint, जो एक गीली छाप थी, जो उसके दादी के चुंबन की एक गीली छाप थी, उसी को शारीरिक संपर्क का, अपनी दादी के शारीरिक संपर्क का, शारीरिक लगाव का, शारीरिक संबंध का एक आखिरी निशानी समझ करके लेखक विदेश चला गया। सो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। ठीक, कहीं पर कोई समस्या है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिएगा, या कंटेंट को समझने में कोई समस्या हो रही है, स्टोरी को समझने में कोई भी समस्या हो, जैसे व्हाट एवर यू थिंक, व्हाट एवर योर प्रॉब्लम, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिएगा। निश्चित रूप से आपकी समस्या का समाधान किया जाएगा। यदि वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा, और इस साथ साथ जो लोग हमारे इस चैनल पर DBSK इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इस चैनल पर नए हैं, तो यदि पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, अगर उनको लगे कि उनके काम की चीज़ है। ठीक, तो आज के लिए इस वीडियो में इतना ही, फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।